Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Simonis Felt is probably one of the most crucial components for any serious pool player or billiard enthusiast. This video dives deep into the world of Simonis Felt, exploring its unique features, benefits, and why it's the go-to choice for professional tournaments and home tables alike. We'll cover everything from the materials and construction to the impact on gameplay, helping you make an informed decision for your pool table. Number 5. Iszy Billiards Pool Table Pockets. Introducing the Iszy Billiards Pool Table Pockets. This set of 6 pockets is designed to fit most standard-sized tables, offering both functionality and style. These pockets are made of heavy-duty vinyl, ensuring long-lasting use. They are built to withstand the rigors of regular play, providing reliable performance. Each pocket comes equipped with 6 irons and pre-drilled holes, making installation a breeze. You can quickly and easily upgrade your pool table. Available in black with fringe, these pockets add a touch of elegance to your pool table. The classic design complements any game room decor. The pockets are designed to fit most standard-sized tables. Please refer to the diagram for dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for your table. What we like. These pockets are made of heavy-duty vinyl, ensuring durability and longevity. They also come with pre-drilled holes for easy installation. If you're looking for a simple upgrade to refresh your table's look, these pockets, available in several colors, are a great choice. What people say. The leather is thick and sturdy. The metal rods to install them are solid. The pockets fit perfectly into place, and the netting is thick and robust. Number 4. Scott Edward Pool Table Felt. This is the Scott Edward Pool Table Felt. It's designed to fit standard 7, 8, and 9-foot tables. It's the perfect accessory for your snooker or billiard table. The package includes 1 piece of pool table fabric and 6 cushion cloth strips. The installation is straightforward, making it easy to upgrade your table. This felt comes in 3 different sizes, so it's easy to find the perfect fit for your table. You can also cut it to your specific needs. It's made of nylon and soft fiber material, providing stretch elasticity. This ensures a smooth and consistent playing surface. This felt is designed to resist pilling and fading, ensuring it will last. It's a great way to enhance your entertainment experience. Whether it's for your home, bar, hotel, or club, this felt is ideal for indoor billiards. It's a versatile choice for any environment. What we like. This felt comes with everything you need for a quick and easy install. It's available in multiple sizes, perfect for different table dimensions. If you are looking for a felt that is durable and easy to install, this is a great option. What people say. Purchase this fabric to recover a puzzle board. This worked beautifully, stretching just enough here and there to fit perfectly across the board surface. A steam iron did the job of removing wrinkles from shipping. And there is ample material left to do the job again down the road. A superior material to felt, by far. Pretty much perfect. It comes cut to size with you only having to cut the pockets and the bumpers. If you know how to lay it properly, it's super tight. And the color is strong and steady. Fast delivery and good quality. Number 3. Simonis 860 Pool Tablecloth Replacement Kit. This kit enhances your enjoyment of the game. It allows you to play your best with a smooth, accurate, and consistent surface. Made with fine-combed wool yarn and crafted by skilled artisans, it ensures the smoothest play. This set includes a horsehair brush and matching chalk. Professional players and families alike prefer it for its true play. The high thread count and weave naturally repel spills and resist wear, extending its life. The smooth threads assure consistent speed and rebound. With a high wool content, it takes ball spin consistently and reduces burns, providing outstanding accuracy. Iwan Simonis meets ISO 9001:2000 standards and practices green manufacturing. They have been making their world-famous cloth since 1736. Our experts can help you create the perfect entertainment space. We offer high-quality products, ensuring you invest in the best, and have remained a top choice for years. What we like. This cloth enhances your game with its smooth, consistent surface. It's designed to repel spills and stains, ensuring longevity. If you like a professional-grade playing experience with outstanding accuracy and consistency, you should consider this. What people say. Best I have ever played on and easy to install. The felt is excellent quality and the product arrived ahead of schedule. Simonis cloth, it's the best. It's what the pros play on. Number 2. Simonis 860 Tournament Blue 7-foot Pool Table Cloth. This is the Simonis 860 Tournament Blue Cloth. It's designed for 7-foot pool tables, offering a premium playing surface. The cloth is made in Belgium. The cloth is crafted from 90% wool and 10% nylon. This combination ensures long-lasting wear and reduces ball burning. It's a high-quality material. This cloth is nap-free, so it won't pill, fluff, or shed. This feature maintains a consistent playing surface. It's designed for optimal performance. It has been the official cloth of the World 9-Ball Championships since 1992. This cloth is trusted by professionals worldwide. It's a mark of quality. When installing, make sure the marked side is facing up. This is the smooth playing surface. Following this will ensure the best playing experience. This cloth is made in Belgium. It is designed to be installed tightly over the slate. This will increase the life of the cloth. What we like. This cloth is the official choice for World Championships, guaranteeing top-tier performance. Its high wool content and nap-free design ensure long-lasting wear and reduced ball burning. If you are a serious player looking for tournament-level quality, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Table plays great. Wow, what a difference a good quality felt made on my table. Everything is pre-cut and ready to go. Number 1. Iwan Simonis 860 Tournament Pool Table Cloth. This is the Iwan Simonis 860 cloth, the official cloth of major pool tournaments worldwide. It was initially designed for 9-ball. The cloth's quality ensures a superior playing experience. The high thread count and wool content of this cloth guarantee long-lasting wear. It is nap-free and won't pill or shed, ensuring the playing surface remains consistent and accurate. Simonis cloth delivers the most accurate play. The smooth, even threads provide consistent speed, English, and cushion rebound. This precise construction ensures outstanding accuracy. When installing, make sure the marked side is up. This is the playing surface. Proper installation, stretched tightly over the slate, will maximize the cloth's life and your enjoyment. Whether you're a casual player or a serious competitor, choose the truest playing cloth. It doesn't matter how much you spend on your table, this cloth will enhance your game. What we like. This cloth is the exclusive choice for major tournaments worldwide, ensuring the most accurate play. Its high wool content and precise construction provide consistent ball spin and reduce burns. If you are looking for the best overall value in billiard cloth, you should consider this. What people say. What's most impressive is that the cloth was pre-cut for the rails. Table plays like a pro table now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.